Hello friends, welcome to Sanu's Kitchen. Today's recipe is eggplant prawn fry. It's a very easy to prepare, easy to make recipe with whatever ingredients available at your home, and it is not that spicy also, and it is really very tasty, easy to digest. This can be served with either pulao or white rice. So let's see how we prepare this recipe and keep watching. So here are the ingredients required for our recipe today. Here I have taken medium-sized prawns. There are close to 8 to 10 pieces. 2 large onions I have chopped. 4 tablespoons of mustard oil, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, and I have taken 1 large size eggplant. Now we are going to fry the prawns. So for that we need to marinate it with turmeric and salt. Now the marination is done. Let's rest it for 15 minutes. Now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, not the entire thing. So the oil is quite hot now. Now we are going to add the prawns. At this time keep the flame in medium high. Now you can see the prawn is nicely sauteed now. Do not deep fry it because prawn cooked very fast. It gets cooked very easily. Just saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. You can see the color is changing a little golden. That is enough for this. So the prawn is sauteed for 2 to 3 minutes and you can see the color has also changed. The texture looks good. Now you are going to add the rest of the oil. Again, keep the flame in medium high. Now let's add the onions. Saute it nicely and fry it really nicely here. The onion is nicely fried now. The texture also has been changed to deep golden brown. Now we are going to add the eggplants. With this we are going to add some turmeric. And some salt. Remember to add the salt at this moment only, otherwise the eggplant will not cook properly. And now some red chilies. Now mix well. Now you can see it's nicely mixed now. Now we're going to cover it and cook it for 10 minutes, and at this moment keep the flame in low. So friends, now you can see the eggplant is nicely cooked. It is soft now. Now we're going to add the prawns. Now mix well. Now you can see it is nicely mixed. We're going to add half cup of water. Again, keep the flame in medium high. Mix it well. At this time you can add salt as per your taste. Now again mix well. And after this we're going to cover it and cook it for another 5 minutes. So you can see the eggplant, the prawn, everything is nicely fried. It's soft, cooked nicely, the texture came perfect. Now we're going to increase the flame to high and saute it for 5 minutes. This should be done very carefully and make sure it doesn't burn. So friends, now you can see it is ready. The eggplant, the prawn, everything cooked properly, nicely. Texture that is also good. It is not too dry also, and it is very juicy. So it is ready to be served now. So friends, you can see it is ready. The eggplant prawn looks really nice, looks really tasty, and I am already feeling very hungry. The texture came perfect. Everything came as we wished for. And remember, this can be served best with pulao or any kind of biryani, and you can also have it with white rice also. So friends, hope you like this recipe and this video. Please try it at home and let us know in the comments. And please share, subscribe and like. And thanks for watching. See you again next week. Bye bye.